Oh, guys, if you want this coffee cake made straight out of the kitchen, you guys, you are at the right video. Hi, guys, how is everybody doing today? Good, because we're back with another sweet video. You guys, so I was wondering, right? Guys, I had all this leftover cinnamon and brown sugar. So I said to myself, what is you gonna do with that? Well, you guys, today we're gonna make us a coffee cake. That's right here in the kitchen. Just like the coffee cake you can go and buy and enjoy a good cup of coffee or hot chocolate or just some tea with. But we are gonna make this right out of this kitchen. You guys go get your snack and come on back. But wait 1 minute. How is everybody truly doing today? That's what's up. So yeah, go get your snack and come on back. So guys, we're going to start off by putting us some margarine. Of course, you can use whatever butter is your preference. But I like using margarine. And we're just going to put a couple of dices up in here. Maybe a half a stick. But not too much because of what I have. And we're going to create our own crumble. Cinnamon crumble, you guys. And I can't give you exact measurements because your girl don't know. And we're just going to put it right on in there. Okay, but we need enough for our filling in our cake. Alright, we just want to crumble that just like that. That's all. We just want to crumble it. And just play right on in there. Okay, this the consistency that I'm looking for. Just like that, crumbled. Okay, guys, so what I have here is 2 cups of all-purpose flour. So I'm going to add 1 tablespoon. Well, yeah, we're going to go with 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Okay, and a half a tablespoon of salt. Okay. Now my next step is to get my sugar. And I'm going to get a cup of sugar. Hold on. Okay, so we're going to get us a cup of sugar. Well, not quite a cup. I think that'll be too much. But I'm just going to I bought me some sugar in here. And that's going to be that. Why? Because we have the brown sugar. And I'm going to use approximately 6 tablespoons of veggie oil. And the oil I'm going to use is olive oil. You guys, I'm going to use olive oil. I hadn't even opened it up. Because it's more heart healthy. I think that should be enough. I have to get my vanilla, hold on. So we're gonna put up some vanilla in here. And yeah, we're gonna give this a quick stir. Let me get my, okay guys, I'm sorry. I had to get my eggs out. So I'm gonna put 2 eggs in here. One at a time. Let me get my warm water. You guys, like I say, you don't always have to bake the same way. There's different ways to making different recipes. And you know, on that last cake mix, I had people say, "Are you sure that's cake?" And I'm like, try it. Now, I could have used my hand mixer, but I didn't. And this is the thickness, texture that I want, because this is a coffee cake. So let me clean this up so I can show you guys how to do it. Okay guys, so we're back. We have our mix. It's right here, our cake mix. Okay, so I'm going to move that out the way because I have my pan that I'm just going to spray lightly because this is a non-stick. And so this is what we're putting our cake in. So I'm just gonna let this ride over. should have left well enough alone. Let me rinse my hands. So we have our crumble that we're just going to put over here. And we're just going to let this bake. And that's why I didn't want to use a butter recipe, cake recipe, because I have butter in the crumbles. Wait 1 minute, guys, I gotta get that out. And I'm just gonna go on and I think I'm gonna put a swirl on this just to make sure we're good with it being in there. Because I'm sorry, it's gonna take us. We're just gonna swirl it just like so. And we're going to slide it on in the oven. And we'll be back. So guys, take a look at our delicious coffee cake swirl. Okay? So yes, we're going to let this cool and we're going to come back and put us a nice glaze on it. And we're going to enjoy this cake recipe. It was quick, it was simple, it was easy, and everything was in the kitchen. You guys, now you can enjoy this cake without a glaze or you can enjoy it with a glaze. But I promise you, you have a delicious cake right out of your kitchen. So if you like this video, share this video with everyone. Let them know what your girl is doing on this channel. And yes, I'm no pro, but I enjoy my kitchen. Guys, so yes, we put a little glaze on here. I'm going to put the last 2 pieces with glaze. So guys, we have the last step, which as you see, some have glaze on. But we're going to put some more glaze on these 2 that's at top. Because, you guys, what's coffee cake without the glaze, right? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Enough to like, comment, and share with everyone. Let them know what your girl is doing on her channel. And yeah, like I say, I'm no pro, but I enjoy the kitchen.